Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox the Panasonic Lumix G7. It's a brand new camera and I bought it yesterday only, and along with this I have this Boya shotgun mic for a better audio. And I was thinking about buying a camera for my travel videos which can shoot in 4K as well as a lightweight and a compact camera, and this is a mirrorless camera. And I've heard great reviews about this camera. So I thought, why not go for this one? Because whenever you buy a camera, you also have to think about buying the accessories along with the camera, because those are equally important. So suppose like you have to buy a lens, an extra battery, a tripod, a good mic for a better audio. So these are the key for making a good video for any type of content. So if you're thinking about improving your videos and upgrading from an entry-level DSLR or a point-and-shoot camera for your videos, I would rather recommend you this Panasonic Lumix G7. It's under your budget and has a very amazing picture quality and the video quality. So let's unbox this camera and see what are the box contents and what do we get along with the box. So let's check this out. Here we have Boya M1 shotgun mic and a Lumix G7. Now let's just open the package. Here we have the Lumix. I'll keep this aside. So they mentioned microphone third sensor. It's recording 4K and with Lumix 14 to 42, f3.5 to f5.6, a spherical lens with inbuilt image stabilization. And if you check these features, apart from that, they have mentioned certain key features of this camera, that it can shoot 16 megapixel in stills, 8 fps in burst mode, and can shoot in 4K, inbuilt flash, and all other features. That you can also connect this camera to your Wi-Fi application with your phone. And you can use the touchscreen to focus on your subject. It has a good low light performance, and they've also mentioned that it has a contrast based autofocus. That means it's not as good as the Canon dual pixel autofocus, but it's quite okay. Now let's quickly open the box and see the contents. On the seal they have mentioned that you will get 2 years warranty from the manufacturer. Now let's open the box and see what do we get inside the box now. So on the top you get a manual and a CD. You get one lens hood, which is good when you are shooting in the bright sunlight. All of the cameras you have to buy this hood separately, but with this camera you get it along with the kit lens. And this is your kit lens. It's a 14 to 42 mm with a variable aperture of 3.5 to 5.6. Normally the kit lenses are not that great, but I've seen pretty amazing footage shot on this lens, which is good. And then you get a camera strap, which you normally don't use. And now you get a micro USB cable for charging and the power cable for the charger. So this is how you charge the battery with the help of this cable. Now let's look at the camera body, and this looks pretty nice and feels very compact and lightweight. It has a plastic body, but it is of good quality. It does not have a weather shield or magnesium body like the G85 or GH5. Also there is no IBIS, but it has a lens based image stabilization which works fine but not that great. And this camera has an articulated screen which is good for vlogging, and you can see yourself in the camera or in the frame. And also it has a lot of custom buttons to make it easy for filming. At the bottom you get a slot for memory card and a battery compartment. Now let's put the lens on the camera and see how it looks. And also let's unbox the Boya M1 mic, which I bought along with the camera. And this is your Boya mic, so you get some paperwork, and then this is your cable which you have to use to connect your mic to your camera. And it has a hot shoe mount as well.